you're tuned in to Kirbys Garage. Alright guys, welcome back to Kirbys Garage. Today, we're going to do assembly, unboxing, and all that. Another thing from Harbor Freight, which is, let me pull it out here, which is the Harbor Freight stand for bench grinders. As you can see, we have to unbox it, assemble it, and then we got to put my bench grinder, which is over here, just so you know. Okay, we're gonna put my bench grinder, this bad boy, on the stand. So let me make sure the video is still good, and we'll open this box up and see what we got. Yep, okay. So, and again, it is the bench grinder, and it's from Harbor Freight, so let's see what we got here. I hope you guys can see everything okay. All right, let's see what we got here. And again, it's the stand. It's supposed to look like that. So, let's see what we have here. Always try to open everything up so you can see what you have and what you don't have. Try to keep everything organized as best you can when you're putting something together. Otherwise, I think these are the same exact. Oh, that's not. No. Okay, so they're not exactly the same. So you gotta keep them separate. What's in here? In here we have the bolts and nuts to put it all together. We'll put that right there. And then we have a couple of rubber things for the feet that will eventually be on the feet so you don't scratch your floor. I have a concrete floor here, so I don't really have to worry about that. All right. All right. And it does come with an instruction book. I recommend that you would look at this and see how to put together, but I think, you know what? This is going to be the top plate, of course, so that will be last, I think. So let's use the top of the box here. Let me get this cleaned up. Okay. Let me make sure everything's good yet. Alright. As you can see, I am going to open the bolts, but I'm going to put them on top of the box, so hopefully I don't lose any. Got bolts, nuts, washers, everything. Okay. All right. So I just took a quick look at the instructions, and it's really disappointing. Harbor Freight doesn't do a better job at telling you how to put this stuff together, but that's my complaint so far, but it is pretty sampleable. I can look at the picture here and figure it out. So basically, this leg here with the full holes and no holes on the there is going to be your bottom leg, and then you got the full holes here and the 2 holes up there. So you line these holes up, and basically you stick a bolt through here. Use a washer. And a nut. Now I'm only doing this hand tight, I mean, right now, because I'm sure I'm going to have to go back and do it. And so it goes like that. All right. So the top piece goes all right, so we're gonna put this back, we're gonna put this together, hopefully. So the instructions that come with it doesn't have any pictures, and they don't really describe it too well, so, but it is pretty, if you know how to put things together, it's pretty explainable. You go like that, you use a washer, and you tighten the nut until it gets hand tight. And of course you want to go back, and it's just like that. So see, there's 4 holes there. There's another bolt that goes here, and then your bottom tray gets bolts here, through there, and all that. And then these you get 2 bolts here that will sit like so, and then you just tighten it all up, and it should be good to go. And then you got the little rubber feet that goes right on the bottom, and they slide into a little groove. They have a little groove there that the L bracket sits really nicely in there. That way it gives you a nice rubber footing. Okay, so why don't I put this together, and we'll go into a little time lapse here of me putting this together.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Won't
All right, guys. So I have the stand all put together. Here it is. There's my bench grinder. It does not come with these bolts. I had them laying around, so that's that. You can see that it comes with a little tray. It does have these rubber feet down here, so you don't scratch or dig into your, if you have a nice floor. I have a concrete floor here at the storage locker shop. As you can see, it's not the greatest, but here, I'll turn it on for you guys. And just using my screwdriver. And yes, I do. Yes, I need to replace the wire wheel, but I'm going to replace it with I think a sanding disc. But so, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until next time.